Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for YouTube ads, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register for YouTube ads, start by visiting the Google Ads website. Click on the Start Now button to create a new account. If you already have a Google account, sign in using your credentials. If not, select the option to create a new Google account. Fill in the required information to set up your new account. Once signed in or fully registered, you will be directed to the Google Ads dashboard. Click on the Campaigns tab located on the left side of the screen. Select the blue plus button to create a new campaign. Choose the marketing objective that suits your goals, such as brand awareness or website traffic. Next, select video as the campaign type. Set your campaign settings, including a name, budget, and bidding strategy. Target your audience by selecting demographics, interests, and behaviors. Continue to the ad group section and set daily budgets and targeting specifics. Upload your video ad or provide a YouTube link to the video you wish to promote. Enter details for your ad, including headlines and calls to action. Review all settings and targeting options to ensure they align with your objectives. Once everything is set up, click on the Publish Campaign button. Your YouTube ad campaign is now registered and ready to run. Monitor your campaign performance regularly to make necessary adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.